You have no idea what you're sitting on right now. There it is.
Are those part of it? Those little indents right there?
Yeah, these are for the they're for the window washer fluid jets.
Oh, okay.
No, it looks good, man. I think we're good. Just kind of make sure the edges are good. Nice and protected. Yeah, we're totally good, bro.
Signature, bottom right line.
Okay.
One picture so I don't think I stole it, put it on my Jetta or something.
Oh, it's finally here. Woo. I can't believe I actually pulled the trigger on this. My car's going to go through a little bit of an ugly stage, but it'll be totally worth it because this thing's going to look insane. Just had to receive it, sign for it and everything. Make sure it wasn't damaged, all the quality steps, you know. But it's definitely not damaged. It looks amazing. Check it out. This is going to be insane. I can't wait to get this thing on the car. I'm going to show you guys every step of the process. Let's go. This thing is going to be insane. Best part about this thing is it's fully functional. This vent at the rear is heat extraction from the engine bay. Scoop at the front, force feeds air right into the intake, or at least where the intake is. Now I feel like I have to get an intake, so future video. Things are coming. Things are coming. For now, I'm just gonna hit this with some satin black spray can primer. The plan is to eventually paint it, but I'm not going to jump into painting it just yet because I'm going to have more painting in the future. So I think I'll wait until all the items that I'm going to need to paint are on the car, and then I'm going to jump into it. This bottle is like a 50-50 mix of isopropyl alcohol and water. It's just going to help me get some of the dust and everything off of this so that it's ready to paint. My bottle's leaking a little bit. Spraying the rag directly and not the hood directly. I'm not sure if it matters, but they said it comes with a gel coat of sorts. And I don't know if too much direct contact or saturation with the isopropyl alcohol will affect that gel coat. I don't know. Just habits from detailing vehicles. Generally never spray stuff directly onto a surface. Hit the rag first and then just use the rag on whatever you're doing. Look how aggressive that scoop is. probably mentioned that the hood latch came pre-installed. So that's pretty cool. Kind of I've never had an aftermarket hood before, so I don't know if how this looks is kind of typical of aftermarket hoods or whatnot. I don't know, but hopefully it's pretty strong. We're not gonna just rely on the hood latch forever, but that'll be a future video. It's all cleaned up now, so I guess time to paint it. See how it looks in the black. I think I'm gonna go check out my window washer fluid jets first and make sure that those are pretty straightforward, pretty simple. It's probably just drilling a small hole. But I don't know, let's go check it out. Whew. So I'm gonna have to go get a hood popper tool or a panel popper tool. Pop these things out, and then I should be able to see what's going on with these window washer fluid things. Looks like all these are unfortunately just gonna break, so whoever I resell this hood to, hope they don't mind replacing this little undercover thing. Oh. Well, dumped a bunch of garbage on my engine bay. That sucks, so I'll have to vacuum that out. But it looks like if I just drill a hole, hopefully I'll be good. So maybe I'll take that apart, get my hole drilled before I paint the hood. So I just barely touched this thing. Barely touched it at all. And the plastic is so old and brittle, it just snapped. So there should be a plastic tip right here, but it's stuck in this piece. And I went to touch the other one and it just snapped. So I'm gonna be without window washer fluid for a little bit until I replace those. But it shouldn't be too bad to replace. Just not happening today, but it ain't slowing us down. Probably overkill, I admit it, but if something's worth doing, it's worth overdoing, right? Since I had the hood upside down because I wanted to paint the underside first, I ended up painting the underside of the scoop so that I could make sure I could get full coverage on it. Finally, an aesthetic piece for the car. This is gonna be amazing. Oh, look at that. He's here. Chet's 3D design over here is going to give her a little spin.
Buckle up.
Yeah.
She wants to go.
That's right.
Free.
Woo. Look at that old truck. Probably just that, it's good. Like it? I'm not entirely sure. Ready?
Yep. I was expecting a lot more.
Yeah. Oh, it's maybe even lighter than that one. That's crazy. Because these are adjustable hood stops that you can line up your panels. So those will need adjusting, but all right, buddy. Let's do a thing. Oh, you think it's dry enough? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh, we took the towel with us. Yeah. I'm honestly a little terrified of the hood flying off, especially because it has a big scoop. I gotta retain this somewhere. Ooh, probably just stick it through there. And stick that there. Never mind, I'm good. That one's 14 because the new hardware is 1 millimeter bigger. And when I switched, I put the 13 back. Yeah. I guess we'll see if it...
What happened right here? It's just a little piece.
Ask Josh. Just kidding.
Right there.
We put it on still slightly wet, apparently.
So you just trying to get it all centered and tweaked?
Well, haven't even got that far yet. Yeah, we just got it on enough so that now we can start moving it and aligning body lines.
Oh, yeah, you're hitting.
It hit?
You're hitting this.
Oh, that's no bueno.
I mean,
We got room to come this way, though.
well, it looks like you got a big old gap right here.
Woo! Push.
The latch itself?
Everything, the hood. Just push the hood. There you go. Let's see what that looks like. Better?
Yes. Yeah, it's sitting over there, though.
Okay, pull it towards you just gently, slightly. Too much. What do you think?
It's good over here. It's real close, but it's good.
We seem good. We seem good. I don't think the rear is going to get any better. I've got 1/8 inch, 3/32 on that side. And I've got about the same over here. Yeah, I just couldn't help it. Oh man, interior view. Want to check that out? Pop the hood. Pop the hood. Underneath.
This thing?
Yeah. Hit it. Oh, dude, that's rowdy. That's crazy. Woo!
It's crazy how much it like changes the car.
Yeah. This thing is absolutely crazy. You can see a little bit of it from the interior here. This thing was exactly what I was looking for to spice up this boring sedan a little bit. So, well, until the next thing or further steps, there will be more coming on this hood. So I'll see you in the next one.
Can you hear me calling?